Hello there, thank you for watching. I hope you're doing well. Today let's do some makeup together. I'm sitting on my bed right now and I got all the makeup products I need and I want to use in front of me. So let's start with contact lenses. This is a piece of silicone that I put on my eyes to change my eye color but also help me see better because they come with a prescription. I chose a gray one because I think I'm going to do a cool tone look today. Now for foundation, I bought a new foundation. This is from Catrice, a German drugstore brand. I haven't tried anything from Catrice yet, but I've heard a lot of good things about them, and this bottle of foundation used to be popular all over YouTube. If we have German friends watching this video, let me know, is this still popular? I got it in the shade 020 Rose Beige. Let's hope it's my shade. I used to be super terrible at picking foundation shades. Like every foundation I bought is either too light for me or too dark for me, too yellow or too pink for me, but I've gotten better at it. So let's try it. I don't know how much you're supposed to use. Let's blend it out. I couldn't find the ingredients list on the bottle, so I don't know if it's water-based. I don't want to use a wet sponge on it. Let's use a dry brush. Are you kidding? This shade? Is this a perfect match? Feels like I hit the jackpot. That looks really good. People said you're not supposed to touch your skin with the applicator to prevent bacteria. I totally forgot the option that I can actually drop a little on my hand to get into smaller areas. I'm impressed, everyone. The foundation looks so good. It's very high coverage compared to the other foundations I've tried, but still natural looking. I can see all my freckles here. That's your girl. Look at the shade match. I ordered this foundation online. How did I get so good at matching my shade? I made strawberry milkshake with my parents and look at the big glass I got filled to the top. I'm the happiest. I'm going to fill in my eyebrows with a pencil. I've gotten a lot of new subscribers lately. I want to say thank you guys so much for watching my content. I'm not sure if you guys like longer form content. I'm not sure if you guys like longer form videos. I used to do these. Let me know what you like to watch. Look at this cute packaging. I love makeup products with super cute packaging. I'm going to set using some powder under my eyes. And then we can move on to the eye makeup. This is the palette I will use today. It's from Girl Code. It's a face and eye palette, but it has a really unique color combo. Just taking the lightest brown as a transition shade. Blend, blend, blend. The secret to doing eye makeup is just take your time, don't be in a hurry, layer it little by little and take your time to blend it. And I like to take whatever I used on my upper eyelid under my eyes as well. Some people don't like to do that, and some people don't put eyeshadow or mascara or anything on the lower lash line. It depends on your preferences. I haven't used this shade, so taking some of this dark purple shimmer. Smoking out the eyeshadow on the lower lash line actually doesn't look good on my eye shape, so I like to take a very thin and angled brush and just draw along on the lower lash line, a very thin line instead of smoking it out completely. Just sticking it close to the lash line, not bringing it down. And then whatever is on the brush, this is looking good. Here's the style of the shell. I don't want to put this on the eyelid actually, I want to put it on the inner corners. Isn't that beautiful? I love wet looking shimmers like this. Now I'm going to curl my lashes, apply mascara, then we can play with eyeliners. This is a viral Judy Doll Metal Wand mascara I bought. It actually gives a quite natural finish. I want to do a colorful eyeliner, and this is a shimmering purple one from Kaleidos, Night of Creation. I think it's my favorite shade from the whole line. I feel like this side looks better than this one. I haven't done it in a long time. My skills are lacking. Now for the black eyeliner. I think we don't have to do it ordinary today. contour. I have a dent here and I'm trying to hit pan on this trio. I've been using this a lot and I always check back at it in case I missed the pen moment. A little bit for the chubby nose. For this look, I think we should use a nude blush. I brought this pink one from Kaleidos. It doesn't look very deep in the camera. It's not a very strong color, but in person it looks a bit more peachy. Take some of that. I want all the attention on the eyes, so we go a little bit more muted with the blush. I haven't had many chances to use this, but since we're doing a look like this, I have a blue highlighter from Kaleidos. Everything I have from Kaleidos I bought with my own money. I wish I could collaborate with them. I would love to receive their makeup products. Maybe one day. This is a blue highlighter that shifts to purple. It's not really showing up on the camera. It's actually blinding in person, but it doesn't really show well on the camera. For the lips, I got two new lippies from Essence. Let's try the colors out. This is a Juicy Matte Caring Lip Matte from them. I'm not sure if this is an Asian exclusive because I haven't seen anyone use them before. Let me know if you have seen these for sale before. So I got the shades 02 Nude Pink and 08 Dawny Auburn. The formula is really nice. It goes onto the lips very easily, feels very smooth, has a watery feel, and then it dries down. It feels like a soft matte blotted lip. And this is 08 Dawny Auburn. Oh, that's very pretty, like a slightly maple brown. When it dries down, it feels really lightweight and comfortable on the lips. What do I think of this look? And this is the finished look. I hope you liked it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you have a great day and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!